Hello and welcome to another episode where I'm going to unbox and make one of the amazing cocktails from the Taste Cocktails range. This one is a fabulous one. It is the Gin Martini and Martinez box. So in the box we have got a wonderful array of different things, from gin, vermouth to bitters. So in the booklet it tells us all about the gin in this box, which is broker's gin, and it also tells us different variations you can make, from a sweet martini, a dirty martini, the smoky martini. So this is going to be great for somebody who absolutely loves their gin martini. Today I think I'm going to make a traditional dry martini. So the instructions say to put my martini glass in the fridge or the freezer to chill, so I'm going to do that now. Now you can shake or stir a martini. I prefer mine shaken, but it's up to you. The instructions are on there for each one. So cocktail shaker, I've half filled this with ice. We're going to go in with 40 millilitres of gin, 10 millilitres of dry vermouth, 1 to 2 drops of Angostura orange bitters. Okay, and then we're going to shake this up. So we're going to fine strain this into the martini glass. So there we have it, a wonderful gin martini using the ingredients from my Taste cocktail kit. If you would like to order this kit or some of the other amazing range from Taste Cocktails, you can click the link above or below this video. Cheers everyone!